Okay, so in today's class, we are going to discuss that how can we use VLookup tables and HLookup tables into your Excel. So right here, you can see that I have an example. I have an example data that is corresponding of a serial number, an employee name, a designation, basics, and net salary. So basically, you can see that here I have similarly different serial numbers, and accordingly with those serial numbers, I have your employee names, their designations, their basic salary, and net salary. The basic function of your VLookup table works and areas where you want to have that exact value just by typing a serial number or any unique value. The point is that you do not need to write almost all of the data again. So this is being used as a VLookup table. Like for example, if I write here 8, and you can see that the value is changing itself. If I write here 4, you can see the value that is changing itself that is related to this table. Like for example, 4 is Ali and the net salary of Ali is 45,000. So this is it in this table. Similarly, if I type 1, so this is giving me the exact value from these tables just by changing a single value. So this is how when I use the VLookup tables, and we have two different types of lookup tables, that is a VLookup table and an HLookup table. You can see right here that when I'm referring to the VLookup table, it means that I am working vertically. Whereas if I'm referring to the HLookup table, that means that I am working horizontally. So for example, into your exam, you have a table like this and you want to apply the VLookup table. First thing you need to understand that why do I need that? And I have already explained that you need it because when you refer to a single value and when you are changing that, you want the values to be changed as well. So let's take another example right here. Let me type serial number, your employer name, and your basic salary right here. So the first thing to do is that I'm going to write a random serial number, like for example 2, and for getting the employee name, I'm going to start like is equals to VLookup and the lookup value. You need to enter the first VLookup value right here. That is in my case, this value. That means that this is the value for what I am searching for. That means that this is going to be the value to which I am searching my data. So I'm going to tap here. This is going to give me my lookup value. Lookup value means that this is the value I'm searching. Then I'm going to enter comma. Then I need to enter the table array. That means that I need to select the whole of this table. That means that all of my values are defined here. And for making these values definite, I am going to press the F4 key onto my keyboard, right? Like this. And the third thing which I'm going to enter is I'm going to write the number of the column index number on which the employee name is mentioned. So right here, you can see that out of this table, when I'm working on the VLookup side, that means that I'm working vertically. So this is on the second number. The first is serial number 2 and the second is employee number. So I'm going to write here 2 and comma, and then I will be writing 0 because that corresponds your exact match. Bracket close and enter. So you can see that this has given you the value of number 2, which is John. And similarly, in this table, the value is second as well. So I can change this value linking to this table. I can make it 3, I can make it 4, I can make it 5, I can make it 6, any value that is being changing. So similarly, if I want the basic value to appear, I'm going to write the same function. VLookup table. My lookup value is first going to be 6. This is going to be the unique value for which you are searching for your number. And then you are going to select your table array. And don't forget to make it definite so that the values are changed automatically. Uh, F4 and now, oh wait, and column index number, the basic is the third one into row. So I'm going to type 3 and comma 0, bracket close. And I also need to set these values as definite. So this is your F4 and this is done. Oh, wait. I think I gave a wrong value. I have given 3. So I need to make it 4 for the basic pay. So this is it. So 6, Ahmad's basic pay is 4. So you can actually play with this around. You can change the values as per your liking. So this is for your VLookup table and HLookup table. I hope it's clear to you. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you.